Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Blair, and today I just randomly decided to turn on the camera and just film myself getting ready. I just was putting on a little bit of makeup today and I didn't plan this out at all. I just thought I would share a quick, natural, easy makeup look with you. So if you're interested in getting ready with me and seeing how I got this natural everyday makeup look, please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put some makeup on really quickly, so I figured I would just sit and share with you what I'm putting on. So I just applied a little bit of my Bobbi Brown corrector under my eyes, and I'm just gonna tap this in. I did not plan this video out at all. I just decided to turn the camera on since I'm going to be getting ready anyway. So now that I have that on, today I woke up in a Bare Minerals mood and I'm going to use this. This is the original foundation and it's the color that I wore for years and years and years. Before Bare Minerals had a ton of colors, I know they've expanded their shade range quite a bit in the last few years. One of the OG colors is fairly light, and that is what I wore for a very long time. Very, very long time. When I wasn't even really that into makeup, that's what I wore. And I still have that color. Lately, I've been wearing number 7 Golden Ivory, and that's a good match for me too, but I was just kind of curious how Fairly Light would look. I haven't used that color in quite a while. So I'm going to take some in the cap and I'm going to use it with this brush. This is the Alima Pure Foundation brush. It's a really dense kabuki brush. I've never tried it with the Bare Minerals powder foundation. I've tried it with the Alima Pure powder foundation, but I'm curious to try it with this one. So I'm just taking some on this brush and then I'm just gonna start buffing it all over my face. Alright, that was just a little bit. Get some more in the cap. I've done one other, maybe 2 other videos where I use the original powder foundation from Bare Minerals. It's kind of tricky. You kind of have to figure out how you like to apply it. Like I have the Bare Minerals, I forget what it's called, but the little kabuki brush that they say is best to use for this foundation, and I just cannot get that brush to work for me. It's the one that has the little indentation in the middle, and I just cannot get that brush to work for me. I feel like it does not provide any coverage at all when I use it. And I've tried a buffing motion, I've tried kind of a pressing motion with it. I don't know, I just can't seem to get it to work for me. Something I have been doing lately though, and it does seem to be working pretty well, is when I apply this Bare Minerals, what I will do is first do a light layer with the buffing motion, because you know the Bare Minerals technique is supposed to be swirl, tap, and buff. So what I've been doing is doing that for the first initial layer, and then after that I'll take a dense brush, like I'm using this one today, and in the places where I want more coverage, like on my cheek area mainly, I will kind of stipple it on those areas, and I find that that builds up the coverage a little bit. And this foundation, at least in my opinion, is not cakey, especially if you apply it in layers and you don't apply a ton all at one time. So that's what I've been doing recently, and it works well for me. This color, actually, I'm reminding myself now why I used to wear this color, because it does match me really well, especially in the winter time. All right, so I think that's all I'm gonna apply, and as you can see, it looks really nice and natural. Really like it. I might start using this color again because I'm being reminded why I always wore this. Every time when I was younger, when I would wear this specific foundation in this color, people were constantly asking me what I had on my face. Constantly. And it's so funny, I thought, why is everyone asking me that? But I guess, I don't know if it's because this color in particular just matches me perfectly. And it does seem to really agree with my skin. I don't know, but years ago, people would constantly ask me what was on my face. It's so funny. So I actually found this in my drawer. I didn't even realize I had this, truly. I did not realize it. This is the Bare Minerals Powder Concealer. I feel like I actually got mine at Marshall's. I got it on sale for $4.50 a long time ago. And I just totally forgot that I had it. And I found it the other day, and I figured since I'm gonna wear the original powder today, I would try this because I feel like I might have tried this a long time ago, but honestly, it's been so long that I can't remember. This is the lightest shade. It's the shade Bisque. I think now they come in 3 colors, Bisque, Summer Bisque, and Dark Bisque maybe. I can't remember, but I'm not sure if this is even a good color for me, but we're gonna try it. This is the cleanest brush I could find, so I'm gonna use this. This is the domed shadow brush from Real Techniques. So I'm gonna start out with about that much. I'm gonna take this brush and we are just going to start applying this. So another thing I'm dying to try, but I haven't ordered it yet because I wasn't sure about the color, but now that I've tried this in Fairly Light, I may just order it in Fairly Light. The Bare Minerals Original Liquid Foundation that is on QVC right now. I am dying to try that. I haven't ordered it yet, but I'm dying to try it. If you want to see like a What's New Wednesday on that foundation, let me know in the comments, and I might just order Fairly Light. I was gonna get the number 7, which is golden medium, or not golden medium, golden ivory, because that's what I've been doing, or that's what I've been using, but it's out of stock. And I was thinking maybe I'll just go ahead and order Fairly Light in it, since this color seems to work for me right now. Okay. I just applied that. That looks really good. Can you see? Wow, that looks so natural. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try to add a little bit more. So I'm basically doing the same thing with this that I did with the powder foundation, and just kind of building it up a little bit in light layers, and I'm just patting it on. Can you believe I've just had this sitting in my drawer and didn't even realize it? I can't believe that. Okay, let's do the other eye. This brush is actually a really good size for this step. So if you have the Real Techniques domed shadow brush, you might try using it for your concealer. This stuff looks so smooth under my eyes. Oh my gosh. This is why you should shop your stash, because you will probably find products that you have that you've totally forgotten about. Wow. That looks really nice. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this has just been sitting in my drawer. I don't even know how long I've had this. That's all I'm gonna use. That is very impressive. Wow. Okay, Something else I found, and I'm going to use just a little bit of this too, is the Bare Minerals. They call this a concealer. The shade is Well Rested. I guess it is kind of a concealer. It's a little bit more of a yellow tone than the Bisque concealer. And for this, I'm going to use this same brush. And I'm going to pop a little bit of this in the inner corner. Since it's yellow, it should help to brighten up a little bit. And then whatever's left, I'm going to just brush on my eyelids. This is another thing I used to do all the time, and I haven't done it in the longest time. But it basically just kind of evens out if you have any veins or discoloration on your eyelids. All right, sticking with the Bare Minerals theme, I'm going to go in with the Endless Summer Bronzer in the shade Faux Tan. I feel like I've used this in so many videos recently, but it's because I love it. I love the color. It looks really nice on my skin tone. All right. Bring some down my neck and my jawline. I'm going to take a little bit of this blush because it's what I have sitting here. It's the L'Oreal Age Perfect in the shade Peony. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. Ooh, look at the glow on my face. Love it. I'm not sure if it's from the Bare Minerals or my skincare before this, my sunscreen. I don't know. Oh my gosh, if you haven't tried these blushes from L'Oreal, the Age Perfect ones, they are so good. Definitely try these out. For the eyebrows, I am just going to lightly fill them in, like super, super lightly with my Benefit pencil. And then I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. Wow Brow, which has pretty much been an everyday product for me since I got this. Alright, for the eyes, I'm gonna keep it really, really simple. Let me go over them a little again with my brush here. I am gonna take my bronzer and a fluffy crease brush. This is from BK Beauty, and just fluff this lightly back and forth in my crease. I am then going to take a little bit of my MAC eye kohl in the shade Costa Riche, and I'm going to put a little bit of this in the waterline, and that is all we're going to do for the eyes. Super quick and easy. I'm going to curl my lashes because whether I wear a lot of makeup or not, this is not a negotiable step for me. Right, and for mascara, the first one I see is Benefit Roller Lash, one of my absolute favorites. I don't know if I said it or not, but they're doing construction across the street, so you can most likely hear a bunch of banging around. So sorry about that. I swear, Benefit Roller Lash never lets me down. Also, you guys, I am very impressed with this foundation. And I knew I liked Bare Minerals original foundation, but this color I haven't used in a very long time, like I was saying earlier. Now I'll take a little bit of MAC Extended Play and I'm gonna pop a little bit of this. Oh my gosh, even in the close-up mirror or in this little compact mirror, this Bare Minerals concealer under my eyes looks really nice. For the lips, I am gonna take, let's see, this is the combo I've been doing recently. I'm gonna take Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude and line my lips. One of the best lip liners of all time, in my opinion, and this color is one of the best for sure. And last but not least, I'm gonna use this. I've been loving this lately. This is one of the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks. This is one of the plumping ones, and this is the nude color in Coconut Plump. It's really thin and moisturizing feeling, and it does give you the tiniest little bit of that tingly feeling, but in a good way. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do. One last thing I do, when I wear Bare Minerals, I like to always use a setting spray at the end. I just feel like it kind of melds all the powders together. So I'm just gonna do a light spray of that and just kind of lightly go over everything. So this is the makeup today. Like I said earlier, I did not plan this out. I did not plan to film this right now, but sometimes I find that the videos I do like this, without really thinking about it at all, turn out the best. So hopefully this turns out okay, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Today is the day after Thanksgiving. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family. I'm so thankful for all of you for always being here, leaving the sweetest comments on my videos, and just taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. So please know how thankful I am for all of you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, simply be you.